Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Parkside 4V cordless screwdriver, the model PAS4D7 with a battery without a charger. Max torque 10 Nm, no load rotation speed 200 RPM, accessories included with 3 years warranty and Li-ion technology. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Magnetic extension bit holder, and we have 14 bits, different types. Nice. Included we have the cable, 1.5 meters, type A to type C. You need a 5V 2A power adapter. And there is the screwdriver. I like the colors. On Lidl's colors. Blue, yellow and red. 3 indicators. Green, yellow and red, same colors as Lidl's. LED working light, so you can see very clear when you are working. Left and right rotation. At the middle it locks. The trigger. Soft elements around. Easy of handling. At the front, the bit holder. We have this cover. If you want, you can remove the cover. Very soft. Bit holder, magnetic, the extension, or without the extension. I just love the colors. 4 volts. And inside we have 4 volts Li-ion battery, 1.5 ampere hours. The Type-C port. Plug in. And you can charge it, and from a power bank. There it is, it's charging. It is near fully charged. Here we can see the model. So, let's test it. Wood, some screws. I will start from the smaller. Only one speed. You can adjust the speed with a trigger. Nice. I'm just checking the power for this screwdriver, how it can handle a larger screw. Nice. I like it. Small and powerful. Just love it how it works. Small, portable, it can fit to your palm, and very affordable. If you are tired of getting wrist fatigue from turning manual screwdrivers, or if you don't want to drag out a heavy, bulky drill just to tighten a cabinet hinge or build a bookcase, this little tool is an absolute lifesaver. It's light, compact, charges off any standard USB-C cable, and fits right into a kitchen drawer for quick everyday repairs. For the tiny price tag only €10, it easily pays for itself the very first time you unbox an IKEA flat pack. If this video helped you decide whether this Parkside screwdriver is right for your toolbox, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more Parkside tools, DIY projects, workshop tests and practical gadgets. Thanks for watching, keep building, keep fixing, and I'll see you in the next one.